Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show my 23 months old daughter's books collection. This is just for an idea. When my daughter was 3 months old, I started with something like this black and white books. Then slowly we proceeded and we have this little collection of books now. I'm not showing all, only few books I'm showing for an idea. So hope it helps you out, the one who wants to buy books for your kids and all. So you can find many options here. So to start with, I have this collection of little board books you can see here. So these are all kind of common books you can usually find. These vegetables, toys. This is animal opposites with shine glitter books, a cute one. This is from Instagram. And animals, vehicles, birds, and this is first words. This is look and find books. This is not a simple board book. I'll tell this in a separate category, look and find books. So these are simple, just casual board books. These I have basic books which everyone has usually. And this is another book. I have made a separate video also on this. This is Dasavataras. So a very cute book in a cartoon picturized manner for kids. So this also I got from Instagram from Little Bunny Reads. You can check out their page. It's not sponsored, just out of interest I'm telling. Then I have this one more beautiful book, Elmer's Friends. This is also a very good book, even though pictures are not so very attractive, but yeah, they are colorful. You can introduce different animals and characters of each animal is mentioned here. So yeah, this is also another good book actually. Then I have this another book called On the Go. This also I got from Instagram. So these are different actions a baby can do, physical actions like crawling, then stretching, just like me. Bears is stretching just like me. So like that we have a big flop books. This is another fun book. My daughter, she learned stretching from this book. She stretches. Whenever I say stretch, she will stretch like this. So it's good, fun. Then we have this Thomas and Friends. She loves this book, reads almost every day. Then we have another book called Dear Zoo with different animal shapes. This is a book which grows with your baby, and it's a good fun-filled book. This is also very nice one. These are bath books, bath time books. Like these are washable and yeah, with sounds. These are fruits, different fruits, very colorful again. This I think I got it from First Cry. One more I have. This one is of animals. So this you can use during bath time. This is also cloth book, a very nice, beautiful book. So with numbers and all the animals and all. Yeah. So these are non-destructible. So if your baby is so small, you want to introduce books, you can go with this type because they can't tear it, and it's safe. You can wash it. So even if they keep in the mouth and all, there will not be any problem. Then we'll move on to a big chunky books. So this first words I have already shown you. So these are see and find books. This kind of books are very good in learning, increasing the vocabulary of your children. I'll discuss about this in some other videos. Then I have Coco Goes Out, my daughter's favorite, one of the favorite books. So like this. This also I got this from. So this is Coco Goes Out, another fun-filled book. It's a nice book. Then we have Where is Baby's Belly Button. This is something which you can start with if you're planning to introduce your babies with books for the first time, because it's just a basic peekaboo book. Where are baby's eyes? Under her hat. So like that it goes. very fun-filled, simple, and yet very interactive book, I say. So you can have this book. Then we have Spot Loves His Friends. This is another nice bedtime books. We have two books, Good Night Moon and Nighty Night. These books are radium printed, so you can see even in the dim light. This is an amazing book, Nighty Night. And this is Good Night Moon, an award-winning book. This grows with your baby and is amazing one, a must-have, I should say. This is a simple Buzz board book. Who I Am Buzz. My daughter loves Buzz, so I got this one for her. She enjoys reading this. Then this is an amazing next level book, a movement book. I have a separate video on this. If you want to see this book in detail, just go and watch it. Busy Zoo, our favorite book. Lot more to see in this and explore. It's like a most engaging book till date I found for my daughter. Busy Zoo, a must try. Then we have Ramayana, moral stories. This is another super book for kids. A touch and feel playbook by Eric Carr. So this is so nice book. As you can see, it's so nice, and this also again grows with your baby. It's a very fun-filled book and amazing book. Then we have this touch and feel book by Baby Touch Animals. This is something which I introduced my kid with books. These are those books actually. So a nice books to introduce your kids with. Our current favorite book is this hand puppet book. That's A Little Reindeer. A very cute story this is. We just love, both of us, me and my daughter, reading this together. So it's all so fun with so many things to do, like touch the nose, it will sneeze, and feed the reindeer with berries, and so many things. It's just a super cool hand puppet book. So this also I got it from Instagram, Play Hide and Seek with Little Reindeer. These are few collections. Many more books are there. I'll show you in some other video. Thank you for watching. Hope you have got some idea of what books you have to introduce your kid with. Go with some basic books like picture books, simple peekaboo books and all, and it will be good to go. Happy reading, mommies and daddies. Thank you for watching. If you like the video and find it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll come up with more interesting topics for mommies, daddies and babies. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.